The next station is Westall.
Good morning, everyone. This is Mountain Network Control Center. Passengers services will welcome to and from Ministry and not follow the city loop, but not be overnight to the line business. More information is available on our website at metrotrains.com. Thank you. Have a great day and thanks for traveling with Metro Trains.
Now arriving at